Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm had to disassemble my helmet to separate the mic because I've been riding Goldwing and this, and I did video, but I had no audio. So I disassembled the helmet, took the mic out, and plugged it into the GoPro and talked into the mic, and the mic's working. So I'm back to my brick. Let's see where I put it. I think I put it on the other side. And I got the mic plugged in, so hopefully I'll have audio. I have the media mod, but apparently the mic hole's all wallered out, and that's why I haven't gotten any audio. So I gotta mow, but man, we've had so much rain. It's raining like every day, and the creek's flooded in the back, and water is just draining out of my yard, so I need it to dry up a little bit. And it still has water in the back sitting right out in the grass. I mean, we've had so much rain, and hopefully today will dry it out a little bit more, and I can mow tomorrow. Hopefully I have audio, but you can see I need to mow, and it's really wet. You can see how wet the grass is still. Look over here. This was all water over here, and it drains out across that way and into that yard and out to the street, and I just gotta it's just so much rain. But it's good. You know what? It's already, what is it? Oh, I don't have my watch. I had charged. I think it's June 1st. And I have not had to use my sprinklers. No one's used their sprinklers this year, which is kind of cool. And it's already June. So that's kind of cool. I didn't have to use my sprinklers. I got a lot of trees. Bye. Doesn't look like I'm going to go far. Look at the clouds up there. Oh, come on. We don't need any more rain. No more rain. I guess I'm not going to go far. Look at that. Oh, that sucks. I think our kids were going to come over and go swimming today, so it may not happen. I'm not going to go too far. Oh, that rain sucks. Come on. We've had enough rain. Bye. Well, not getting on the freeway. Look at that. Oh, there's why. I think looks like they might have had a truck rolled over, a semi truck roll over. They lost something. Oh, wow. That looks like I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, looks like they got him causing the mess. The road's backed up for miles that way. I'm not getting on it anyway. Oh, I sure hope I have audio. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. Maybe have to go to a DJI camera instead of GoPro. I'm not buying another media mod. Bye. Well, I pulled over just because I haven't really shown my I got short reach bars, and I love these things because I got my backrest adjusted as far forward as I can, so I'm not leaning way back. So you can adjust these backrests. Totally adjustable. Right there, and I got that set. But I love my short reach bars. Look at those bars. They reach back, and I can just lean back one-handed and just drive. And I put the GPS on here a long time ago. I got the highway pegs that I love, and I'll tell you one thing that I bought that is the best thing I ever bought. See that light? See how bright that light is? $12.50. And I bought two for 25 bucks, so I got a spare. And that's so much brighter than any of the OEM stuff. That thing's super bright. And I did put these mirrors rattled like crazy, so I did put the Le Monster stabilizers in there, which is great. And this is my air hawk. I have to have an air hawk. I got a skinny butt and it just drives me nuts. Then I got a trailer hitch back here. I haven't used it yet for any trips, but it's a great hitch, and it's not the OEM, so it was a lot cheaper. So I think that's all the mods I have so far. I don't think I put anything else on here. Oh, I got the Ram cup holder, but I can interchange this with the Goldwing too. So, bye. I love my short reach bars. Look, I can lean back, and I just put the cruise on, and I'm just kind of got my highway pegs up here, and I'm leaning back, and it's awesome. Now I'm going to turn back around. Well, looks like those clouds went that way, so maybe we won't get the rain. And it kind of went that way towards the northwest, and so now it's clear back that way, so it just kind of went that way, which is kind of good. So I won't go that way. I'll go that way towards the sun. Bye.